I'm going to set the record straight once and for all, so listen up. You have to absolutely be insane if you think that the drummy part of the chicken wing is the best part. We all know the flats are the better piece. They have a lot more flavor. They are so tender and juicy. I mean, if you want a drumstick, then just go ahead and eat a drumstick. Anywho's, now that debate has been settled, here is my spicy wing recipe. It's really uncomplicated. It only needs 4 ingredients, and it's the best wing recipe that you'll ever come across.